Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris with Digital Rim, and in this lesson we're going to go over the 3D printing software that we use to 3D print our models from Blender. So with that being said, we're just going to hop right into it. Let's go. Okay, first thing you want to do is go to ultimaker.com and download the Cura software. So at the top you see software, hit software, and then download the latest version of Ultimaker Cura. And you can do it simply by clicking this button here. And scroll down. We're going to get rid of the cookies, so we're going to agree to the cookies, but download and then choose your operating system, and then just go through the downloading procedure for like any other software that you would download. Once it's finished, hit finish, and now you should be able to open the application on your computer. When you open the application, it'll look something like this. So you'll be able to navigate around a 3D scene similar to a regular 3D workspace. If you want to rotate, you want to right click and drag to rotate. In order to pan, you middle mouse click and drag. And then if you want to zoom in, just roll the mouse in and out. Now up in the menu, you'll see this is where your extensions will be. We're going to add some extensions. This is something I really wish somebody would have taught me when I first open the 3D software, so I'm going to teach you right now. So go to the marketplace, and then you see in the marketplace you have these if you want to call them add-ons that you want to install into your software. So you can simply install them by clicking and then hitting accept, and it'll install. Setting guide here, import CSV profiles. Again, each one of these you can read about or figure out which ones you want and click and install. Simple as that. Now for the purpose of this video, we're just going to give a good overview of which ones I install straight out of the box. But if you want to read more up on some of these, you can definitely do so. I highly urge you do so, but we're just going to give you a quick overview of the ones we installed just coming out of the box. So I'm going to make the screen a little bigger so you can see. So again, if you want to know more about it, you can simply click the actual field and it'll open up and show you the details. So we're just going to install some of these. Now the Cura from Blender is important if you're using Blender. This is very important. So cylindric custom supports is very important, and we're going to cover that in the actual next lesson of this course. So with that being said, make sure you get that one for sure. But we're going to go in and install some more of these. So a lot of these that we're adding now are just for settings. Again, you can add these if you want to, if they make sense to you. So we're just going to go ahead and install them. Now tab anti-warping is also a good one to install. Become a Patreon today and support this community and support this channel. You might be asking, why would I want to do that? Well, one of the reasons is we are creating coding camps and tech camps for kids, and a lot of the Patreon dollars will go towards setting up those coding and tech camps with equipment and all of the things that are necessary to teach younger generations how to do some of the digital media techniques that we teach here at Digital Rim. So with that being said, your Patreon dollars will go towards scholarships for certain members of the Digital Rim community. So with that being said, make sure you get your membership, but at the same time, become a Patreon if you're not really interested in becoming a member just yet. Let's go. So at the top here, you can see where you have your printers. This is where your printers will be located as far as which ones are in your network. Here is where you'll find the type of material you're printing with. So we're currently printing with PLA, but you can select all of these different options for your printing material and your nozzle size, however large your nozzle size is for your machine. So here on the right side of your menu is where all of the magic happens. This is where you put in all of the values that will make your prints more refined for your machine. Again, from machine to machine, it's a little different. So you're gonna have to figure out your machine and what prints best for your machine. So we're going to give you a quick overview so you can understand how to make better quality prints. So go to custom, and you see it says standard quality here. You can simply toggle super quality, dynamic quality, low quality, standard quality straight out of the box. Makes it very, very simple. And that just changes the settings. But you have all of these different settings that you choose from. Quality, walls, top, bottom, infill, materials, speed, travel, cooling, support, build plate adhesion, dual extrusion for your machine. And quality is where you would, if you decrease the value, it increases the quality of your print. As you can see, 0.12 is super quality. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more, go to digitalrealm.com and become a member today. With your membership, you get access to our course library. We have all different types of digital media content creation topics that you can cover and learn for yourself. Very beginner friendly, just like this video. So with that being said, go to digitalrealm.com and get your membership today. And don't forget, join our Discord community at the link below. You can get access to a lot of topics and discussions about these videos just like this from members of the Creator Camp. So with that being said, hopefully I'll see you in the Discord community in the link below. Let's go.